Well, happy Friday, y'all. What's up? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is going to be a quick video. Well, we got poor sportsmanship last night at the baseball game. Congresswoman Linda Sanchez flipped the bird against the Republicans as she got struck out at the baseball game. Now, there's some words I can say, but I won't say it because I don't want to get banned. But if you see the video, you guys are my subscribers. You know what I'm thinking. Bad sportsmanship. She gave the bird to the Republican dugout. And what I always say, everybody knows that a bird's a word. Bird's a word. I'm just going to tell you that. Y'all have a great weekend. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Oh, it's definitely the Z Show.